Hello guys, I'm RR. You are watching 07 Edit. In previous parts I was teaching you how to set perfect face tone and perfect retouching skin. Video link in the description and I button. Go and check it out. Today I'm gonna tell you how to give life in your photos. I mean perfect dodge and burn effect. Dodge and burn give life in your photos. It's make separate your picture from the background. So, guys, no more waste of time, let's get started. First of all, you need PicsArt app. This app link in the description. Go download and open it. After opening this app, add your picture. Now go to the Tools section. Tap on Adjust. Decrease the brightness. Now tap on Eraser. Now tap on Invert. Just single tap on Restore or Brush. Now follow my brush settings. 1% hardness, opacity around 20% and brush size depend on you. Just zoom in your picture. Paint this on your dark area. It's make HD shadows on your picture. I know that is too hard process. But practice it. You can do. Now just follow my video where I give the shadows. After this process, tap on tick mark. Now set the brightness according your picture which suit in your photos. Now tap on tick mark. Again go to the Tools section. Tap on Adjust and this time increase the brightness. Tap on Eraser. Click on Invert and do same process with brush. For this time you need to give highlights on your photos. Now just follow my video. After this process, tap on tick mark. And now adjust the brightness like me. Tap on tick mark. Now you can see the difference between after and before. Now just save this image. In next video I will teach you how to give perfect color grading on photo. For CR all part, hit the like and subscribe button. Goodbye, take care yourself.
Life is short. It's too short to live depressed. It's too short to live anxious. And it's too short to struggle every day with thinking about taking your life. I want to challenge you tonight to get up. That you're not quitting tonight. That one day it is appointed unto all men to die. But that is God's responsibility, not mine. And so I don't know who I'm preaching to tonight, but I want to say to you, get up. Your future is brighter than your past. I want to say to you in the balcony, get up. Your ladder is greater than your former. I want to say to every person in this room, get up, because the best is still yet to come.